Science!
Oh.
Woo! Science! Hey kids, it's Professor Marbles here. Today we're going to put a candle in a bottle, but like any other science experiment, make sure that you do it in a safe environment. So we're going to go outside and do this. Who's that? Science. All right, we're back at the lab. What we're going to do is we're going to light this candle and then quickly put this cup over it, and what it's going to do is it's going to suck all the water that we have in the pan back into the jar. So here we go. And did it work? Too tall? Or this is good?
And now, a word from our sponsors.
Happy birthday to science.
I'm so sorry.
I don't see anything. Oh. No. No way. Look at it go. Wow. It's slowing down. But it's still going. That's so cool. Is it done? Is that it? It's up to the candle. I'm satisfied. Look at that. Science.
Yes, science.
Thanks so much for watching. Always remember to look around for the science around you, and I'll see you at the next experiment. Watch this. How cool.
When there's high pressure, the skies are really clear. When there's low pressure, rain, snow, sleet, and hail are near.